What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Now, you guys didn't think I was putting out a video today, right? I was waiting on 7 Design House to release the limited production aerodynamic performance kit, which is the ARIA designed for the Maserati MC20. You guys know we put 7 Design House's renderings of this kit on the channel probably for the last year, but now we finally have the end result. And I'm not affiliated with 7 Design House. I've just been following them and very interested in what this first kit would look like for the Maserati MC20. And it is here and it looks stunning. In Grigio Mistero with giallo calipers and a blue carbon fiber kit. This is a great spec, but let's talk about this because 7 Design House just announced this morning the release of their limited production kit. And again, the kit is called the ARIA. It's a transformative body kit that is limited to just 25 units that are precisely engineered and created with the highest quality of carbon fiber. Now, with the entirety of the Aero product design, it features a plug-and-play integration. Each of the components are installed to the existing body structure using OEM mounting points. Now, it was a real goal for the firm to design a performance kit that required zero cutting, drilling, or paint work to the owner's vehicle, ensuring a seamless transformation of the MC20 to the MC20 ARIA. Now, when they designed the ARIA, their objective was to inject a racetrack aero while maintaining pure and elegant design. Each component kit improves performance and aesthetics while staying true to the original design DNA. Now, they have a relentless pursuit of perfection, so it's captured not only in their products, but the form and function, and it's built in OEM grade quality that they delivered. Now, this kit actually achieves a 123% increase in aero efficiency, and while production is limited, the first viewing of the ARIA is complete, and now we get to see it, the one-of-one exposed blue tinted carbon fiber on this Grigio Mistero paint. Now, this accompanies 7 components, including the front splitter, canards, vent inserts, side skirts, and aero functional roof scoop with a rear spoiler and rear diffuser. Now, technical specifications of the aerodynamic efficiency include plus 199 pounds of downforce at 100 miles per hour and plus 509 pounds of downforce at 160 miles per hour with plus 795 pounds of downforce at 200 miles per hour. Now, the full carbon kit provides 12.5 pounds of weight savings to the vehicle, and an optional stage 2 exhaust system adds 20 horsepower while saving an additional 15 pounds to the overall weight of the vehicle. Now, the name ARIA is derived from the founder's love for his dog that passed away during the project's conception. He dedicated the creation to her name so it could live on. Now, just a disclaimer, 7 Design House is not affiliated with any OEM manufacturers, so keep that in mind. But if you guys are interested in this 1 of 25 kit, I'm not exactly sure how many are left and how many have been accounted for, but I will leave the link to their website down in the description below so you guys can see and possibly get your hands on one if you guys have an MC20. But with that said, what do you guys think about the MC20 ARIA? Hot or not? Would you add this kit, a plug and play kit, to your MC20 if you had one, or do you just admire it or think it's a little too much? Let me know your feelings down in the comments below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the new 7 Design House ARIA MC20 kit. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down in the description below. We have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate the extra love you guys show. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch in case you guys want the new hoodies for the winter, or check out my social media pages down below. Now, subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.